got up, went to the shop at 5 a.m. today. We loaded up 2 tables, one 18-foot table and one 21-foot table. These are basically conference tables for this particular space called the Ring. When we loaded everything on the truck, one of the tables was so long that we actually had to find a route from the shop to this building where we could only take left turns. For some reason, that's the only way we could turn without busting the back of the truck. And when we got here, we had an articulating crane from Polo O'Neill, from O'Neill Tree Services, and we set up the cranes. This was the first table we actually loaded into a building through the window. We delivered a lot of tables, but everything is on the first floor. It's very convenient. Here we had to do some thinking mess. We had to come by here several times. How we were gonna put the pieces in the building and where are we gonna park. And then of course, this space is just covered with glass walls. So we had to figure out which glass walls can go in and cannot go in. That was worked out months ahead of schedule. And we hooked up everything and then we lifted up through the window and put it on carts. It was quite challenging, so we had a lot of guys helping moving the slabs. They're pretty heavy. And then we got it into the space in a couple of pieces. But we had a pretty smooth transition, but it's because we did a good preparation. It was pretty smooth. We didn't have any big issues. I mean, the wind is not too bad. It's only blowing about 40 miles an hour. That's Florida. And we're used to that, so we were flying these 18-foot tables in a 30-mile wind channel, which was a little bit challenging, but we got tag lines and we got everything up safe. And then we have a whole bunch of other pieces we're gonna bring. We're gonna bring a reception desk, a smaller table for a meeting room. Now we are putting them together, and stay tuned for more videos on that.